Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, hello. Okay, so today will be another session of P5 Math. Okay, today we'll be focusing more on fractions and some equal fraction concept, and yeah, a bit of an age problem sum. All right. Hello Firhan, welcome back. Okay, so yeah, so do help us, okay, do share this TikTok live to your friends, okay, get them to join in, your friends, your siblings, your classmates, your cousins, basically anyone you can share with. Let's go. Okay, yes Dila, there will be a money question on the equal fraction concept. Okay, so it's like a problem sum. Alright Dila, alright, come on, do help us share this live. Okay, if you are new to this page, okay, do follow us so that you will be notified whenever we have future live going on. Alright, okay, so those who are here, come on in, join in the Kahoot. Go to www.kahoot.it and enter 2577376. Alright, come on in, let's go. Okay, do help us to share and then also spam the screen for likes. Okay, get the likes up. Okay, so at the same time also do help us to share lah. Okay, how to share? You see on the right there's the arrow. Okay, click on that and then you share to your WhatsApp groups. Okay, any WhatsApp group you have, just share it. All right, so today let's get it up to more than 10,000. All right, let's get the likes up to more than 10,000. All right, so even right now, once you join the Kahoot, just keep on spamming the screen. Okay, at the same time also, if you have any WhatsApp groups that you can share this live. Okay, hello Shafiq. Alright, in the meantime, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 2577376. Okay, for those who are already here, just take note, next week onwards, okay, our Wednesday live will be changed to 7:30 p.m. Alright, 7:30 next week. This week lah, we already start at 6, right? Okay, yeah, so we'll begin in about 12 more minutes, okay, or at least 10 more minutes depending on how many participants we have. Okay, so in the meantime, do help us to share this live, okay, and then get more people to join the Kahoot. All right, okay. So how's everybody doing in school? Okay, any WAs coming up? Any exams coming up? Okay, what about those primary 6? If you are here, okay, for those primary 6 that are here, how is your preparation for PSLE going on? How is it? Only practical test next week, okay? Alright, okay. Exam on Friday. Yeah, okay, so like even right now, I think some of you are already starting soon gonna have your WA2, right? Because the June holiday is also coming up. Yeah. Alright, so all the best. Today your math mid-year. Wow. Okay, that's quick. Yeah. All the best for your results. Okay. Thank you, Shafiq. Okay. At the same time also, if you can share this live, that will help us also. Okay, and we'll have more people in the Kahoot. More people means more fun, more competition. Thank you for all those who shared. Okay, you can share multiple times also. Yes. Alright, hello everyone, welcome to Master Math. Okay, so today we'll be doing P5 Math. Like I said earlier, we'll be doing fractions, 4 operations on fractions, like your plus, your minus, your times, and Even though if you may have not yet learned how to divide, later on I'll take some time to explain to you guys how to do divide before we actually go to the fractions divide questions. Alright? Okay, thank you very much for all those shares. Okay, and at the same time later we'll be having some question on age. Okay, simple questions on age, not so difficult. Okay, and we will also be having equal fractions question. Okay, yes, keep, change, flip. Okay, later for those who are not sure what's that, I'll explain in a while. Alright, welcome everyone. Okay, so for those who don't know me, my name is Coach Mo. Okay, I'm usually the one of those coaches here with Master Math doing primary school math. Okay, so that's why primary 5 math I'm here. Alright, okay, for those who are in this live, okay, and not yet in the Kahoot, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 2577376. Yes, we do have secondary school math. We have the classes for it, if you are referring to the classes. At the same time, we also have live for secondary school math. Okay, but it's usually on the weekend, but do follow us and you'll be notified once we have any upcoming live. Okay, and also do search for us on Instagram. That's another channel where we promote when is our live and all that. Alright, thank you for the follows. Alright, and so a bit more about us. Okay, what we are, like what I mentioned earlier, I'm from Master Math. So we are a education center basically. We provide tuitions from P1 all the way to O-level math. Okay, at the same time, we also do primary school science. So like P3 all the way into P6. And also something else that we do is we also do English PSLE. Alright, so you can go to our website www.mastermath.com.sg to find out more about us. Alright, okay, right now how many do we have here? We got 16. Okay, come on, let's go, 7 more minutes and we'll begin. Okay, why suddenly all random suddenly got one Chinese name here? Is this also a bot? I hope not. The code is, you can see at the top of my screen, 2577376. Alright, thank you for the follow. Maybe because different country, maybe lah, yeah. Maybe join from a different country, then when they generate the name, maybe that's why. Okay, because the names here are auto-generated. Yes, we are located in Singapore. Yeah, that's why just now when I mentioned the website is .com.sg. Alright. So in case for those here who are not from Singapore, the questions today are basically fractions where we do times, multiplication, divide, addition and subtraction with fractions, followed by a few simple age related problem sums, and also an equal fraction concept problem sums. Alright, those who are here, welcome to Master Math. Okay, come on, join in to the Kahoot. Go to www.kahoot.it and enter 2577376. I'll begin in 5 more minutes. So in the meantime, come on, join in as soon as possible. Okay, you wouldn't want to miss the first few questions. Okay, and there is a reward for today. The top student for today will be getting a $10 popular voucher. Okay, yes, you can. Okay, in Sec 1 also you must use fraction, right? So even though you are using algebra and all that, but the concept of fractions remain the same. Which level did I teach you at? And what's your name? Is it Faiza or something else? Alpha, oh, alpha when you were in P5, right? P5, okay, level 5. You think this one building, level 5? Primary 5 lah. Alright, hello Alpha, welcome to the live. Okay, so come on in, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 2577376. Okay, alright, very good. In the meantime, do share and also give us the likes, okay? Spam the screen for likes, okay? Maybe you can even now can try to get it up to 3K. Very close to 3K already. Okay, we'll begin in about 4 more minutes. Okay, we need to begin soon also to avoid the bots like last week. Okay, alright, let's go. Share the live and like this live, okay? And also, in the meantime, if you're already in the Kahoot, get some writing materials, okay? Best to have some writing materials. Because you see, the thing about Kahoot is not just about answering the fastest, but to answer it correctly, of course, right? No, we already got the bots here. And the name is Sigma. Must be some Gen Z bot. Okay. Alright, so get some writing materials, okay, so later you can do your working, okay? In the meantime, oh, they all went out. I say Gen Z, I think they feel offended. So the bots all left. Alright, come on in, let's go, okay? Go to www.kahoot.it and enter 2577376. Okay? I know just now I say 4 minutes, now I'm going to say we're going to start in 2 more minutes. Alright, so those who are here, be patient a bit more. Maybe you can help us to share this live. Or at the same time, if you are new, follow us. Press the plus button. Follow us. Okay? So you'll be notified whenever we go live again, okay? Those who are outside is okay. You can still try to figure out the working, maybe do some mental calculation, okay? Alright, those who are here, be patient. We'll begin in a short while. Okay, we'll begin in about 1 more minute. 1 more minute and I'll begin. Today we have a huge turnout. Okay, it's fun. At the same time, do stay. Okay, do stay until the end. Then you will know the solutions. Okay, this time around we'll go through the solutions at the end. Okay, so just stay. Those who are in P6, by all means, okay, you can join in. Okay. What is this? I don't want to subscribe. Remove. Okay, never mind. Later they will leave by themselves lah. Okay, they got the. Okay, I think there's no more, right? Oh, just now I say Sigma, now they changed to Signa. Okay, never mind. Let's not bother about them. We'll begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyone else? Okay, let's go. Alright, so Okay. Are you all ready? Okay. Here, I'm going to give you all 10 more seconds. Anyone else want to join? The game pin is 2577376. 10, 9, 8. Be patient. You put your title Islam, must be patient. It's half of your iman. Why am I teaching this here? I want to teach math. Alright, come on, let's go, let's go. Yes, I recognize your title. Okay, come on in, let's go, let's go. Anyone else joining? Anyone else? Alright, Alpha, don't bother, Alpha. Relax, Alpha. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, what is the value of 16 over 21 plus 3 over 7? Yes, I remember your TikTok name. Okay, so what is the answer? 16 over 21 plus 3 over 7. What do you do when you add? What do you do when you add? It's okay. Sec 1 also okay. Sec 1 can also practice your fractions. Okay, 30 more seconds. 65 people already answered. Okay, 20 more seconds. Okay, what do? Do you simply just plus the numerator and denominator together? Or what should you be doing? Okay, the game pin is 2577376. Restart. Where can restart? Okay, there I put on the chat 2577376. Alright? It doesn't matter you're 12 years old or you're 60 years old. Okay, by all means, come on, join this live. Join this Kahoot. Go to www.kahoot.it and enter 2577376. Okay? I know one of the viewers here today is a 68-year-old person, so come join in. Alright, so yes, the answer is 1 and 4 over 21. Okay, 95 of you got it correct. Good job. Let's go and see the podium. Okay, we got Caring Condor and Groovy Dingo and Caring Ants and Aquatic Bee. All of you are at the same score. Good job. Okay, followed by the Magic Oryx. Still can catch up, don't worry. But the 4 of you, somebody needs to grab that first place so that later you'll be safe. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Now, another addition, slightly easier. 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4. 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4. Alright, come on, let's go. 45 more seconds. Which is the answer? I'm expecting, I think more of you will get it correct for this one. But in case you accidentally click the wrong one, that one no choice lah. Are you sure it's green? Or is it purple? Or is it the white color? Which one? Maybe the time's up, that's why. Alright, come on in. Yes, you can still join. Go to www.kahoot.it and enter 2577376. 2577376. There, okay? 2577376. Wow, there I say this one, more people got it correct. The amount of people in the Kahoot is more than the lives, so it's a bit suspicious. Okay, let's see. We got Yellow Piranha, Brave Unicorn, glowing deer, funny seal. All at 2,940 points. Good job, good job. Now, what is the value of 3 and 11 over 21 minus 1 and 5 over 7? Now, this is a subtraction. So how? And it involves mixed number. Hold on, let me take something. Okay, 3 and 11 over 21 minus 1 and 5 over 7. Is it always yellow? The pin is 2577376. 2577376. Today we have 11 questions. That's right. But the name is like auto-generated names also. Time limit. Are you sure it's yellow and it's not red or blue or green or purple or white? 5 more seconds. Alright, very good. Yes, the answer is yellow. Okay. Now the others doesn't have a number. Okay. Now, what is the value of 5 and 16 over 22? Minus 10 over 11. 5 and 16 over 22 minus 10 over 11. Come on, try your best. Don't say it to yourself. Alright, do stay on to the end, okay? Because I'll be going through the solutions at the end. Alright, so especially those questions here that you feel, oh, why the answer is this? Why your answer is that? Okay, do stay on to the end, alright? When is your next Kahoot? My next one will be next Wednesday. Yeah. Alright? It's okay. You must practice, then you'll get better in math. Okay, math is about practicing. It's not about like how much you know, but how much you actually remember the concept. Okay, is it blue? Is it yellow? Is it green? Is it red? Or something else? Then should be able to answer this question if you got AL1. Okay. Is it red, blue, yellow, or green? 10 more seconds. Next Wednesday will start at 7:30. Next Wednesday, okay? Tuesday still as per normal with Coach Shahira, followed by the following Tuesday. Then we'll change, okay? Hello. Yes, okay. Yeah, P3 also have. Okay. Alright. Yes, the blue. Blue is the answer. 88 of you got it correct. We got the Dazzle Otter in the first place, followed by the Magic Dragon. All the points are very close to each other. Good job, good job. Alright, so a bit of a short break in the meantime, okay? But do stay on, okay? We'd just like to announce on the 10th of May, 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m., MasterMaths is organizing this Dominate for 2025, especially for PSLE Math, conducted by Coach Irfan and Coach Shahira, and PSLE Science by Coach Ryan. Alright, so when you join this webinar, there's this exam readiness diagnostic quiz where when you participate, you'll get a free bonus ebook that will help you for PSLE also. Yes, your sister in P3 can join us. Alright, just go to www.mastermaths.com.sg to find out more about our classes and the locations and all that. Alright, so now let's go to the next question. Now it is time to multiply. How do you multiply these two fractions? 14 over 21 times 3 over 7. Yes, do join us, okay? 14 over 21 times 3 over 7. How do you do this multiplication? Is the answer still yellow or is it something else? Alright? Yes, thank you for sharing the live, okay? In the meantime, everyone do stay till the end. Alright? Till the end, we'll be going through the solutions at the end. Next time see the color properly. Or see the shape properly. Is it blue or is it red? Which one? Or is it green? Which one? Or is it yellow? Which one? Which is the answer? The code is 2577376. See at the bottom there, 2577376. Okay, 10 more seconds. 2577376. No, that's not the answer, that's a pin code. Okay. Alright, good job. 2 out of 7. 69 of you got it correct. Very good. Now let's see the rankings. Wow, remain the same. 𝐷𝐨 author. Another multiplication question. 18 over 21 times 3 over 36. over 21 times 3 over 36. Remember, when you're doing fractions multiplication, right? If you need to put to simplest form any of the fraction, do that first. At the same time, you can compare the opposites if they can be in simplest form. Alright? You can do those first. Are you outside, is it? That's why you need to do mental calculation. Okay, I'll try to find out how do I check the participants even though I already started the Kahoot. Alright, so in case there are bots, we can remove it as we go along also. Okay, is it yellow, red, green or blue? Is it yellow, red, green or blue? Or is it purple? Okay, now we are doing multiplication. Okay, remember multiplication, check the opposites also, not just the top and bottom. And when doing multiplication, it's numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Alright? Okay, very good. But it's interesting how the 𝐷𝐨 author and the magic dragon is just very close. Okay, it's like what? 14 points different? Okay, so the magic dragon also got hope to get first place today. Alright, so before we go to the next question, right, we are going to do fractions divide after this. So when fractions divide, right, you must remember this thing called the keep, change, flip, or KCF. How do you apply it? Example, in this question here, we are doing 2 over 3 divided by 3 over 4. So when we keep, right, you see the 2 over 3, we bring down, become 2 over 3. Okay? The divide you change, become multiply. The 3 over 4 we flip, become 4 over 3. Okay, so now at the second step, we have a fractions multiplication already. So then you apply again all the fractions multiplication that you know, and you get the final answer 8 over 9. Okay, let me repeat again. You keep the first fraction, you change the divide to a multiplication, you flip the third fraction, 3 over 4 become 4 over 3. Flip meaning the numerator goes down, the denominator goes up. Alright? Okay, anyone else still a bit lost about doing fractions divide? Anyone? If nobody, let's go. And now, because it's divide, I'm giving double points. Something to take note here, when you have a mixed number, change it to improper fraction first, then you do the divide, the KCF. Okay? Change the mixed number to an improper fraction, then you apply your keep, change, flip. Alright? Alright, come on. 1.5 more minutes. Let's go. I'll make a new one for next week. Okay? Is it red or is it yellow? Which is which? Red or yellow? Or is it blue or green? Which is the answer? Are you sure it's red? Or is it white? 45 more seconds. Black plus brown plus white. We need to find out what color is that when you mix black and brown and white color. I think it's about grayish like that. Okay, but there's no gray option here, so how? Alright. Okay, now you see at the top of my screen here, there's this MasterMaths PSLE. Okay, those who are not yet have joined this Telegram channel, okay, do join us at this Telegram channel. Okay, why? Because you'll be having there's quite a number of practices that are uploaded in the Telegram channel, which you can use to practice some more. Okay, yes, correct. The answer is red. Okay, now we got this magic oryx that took over the first spot. Okay, wait, let me see. Okay, never mind. Never mind, later we go through the solution. Okay, okay, now 8 over 9 divide by 2 and 2 over 3. Again, like I mentioned just now, we make the mixed number become an improper fractions, then we divide. Okay, there will be 11. Okay, now we are at question number 8. Blue, are you sure it's blue? It's not yellow. There are 3 more questions. Okay, it's not yellow. Are you sure it's not yellow? No, there's only one Kahoot today. There will be 11 questions. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, remember, It is keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction, divide, change to multiply, and flip the third question. Okay, the pin is 2577376. Two 5777376. It's okay. Okay, you want to retry? Do remember to join next week Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. Are you sure? Yes, correct. The answer is 1/3. Okay? Next. Alright, now Magic Dragon have taken the first place. And the Melodic Lion is only 1 point behind. And about 20 plus points behind is Dazzle Otter. Okay, so the Melodic Lion, very high chance you can get the first place, but also depends on the Magic Dragon. Okay, will he slow down or will he go faster? Alright, my favorite subject, of course lah, math. That's why I'm doing math. Okay, so before we go to the next part, okay, just a bit of introduction about us. We are from MasterMath. Okay, so like I said earlier, we are an education center where we provide educational services for P1 all the way to O-level math. Okay, and then we also do primary 3 to primary 6 science, followed by we are also currently doing PSLE English. Alright, so to find out more about us, you can just scan that QR code there, okay, at the top there, or you can go to the website here, mastermath.com.sg. Alright, okay, least favorite at the moment, I don't think I have. Okay, as you grow, you realize that all subject has equal importance. Alright, so before I go to the next question, do remember to stay on till the end, where we'll be going through the solutions at the end. Okay, now the next part we'll be doing 3 more problem sums. Okay, the first 2 are age-related questions, which I feel are quite easy. However, you must remember, when the example I'm talking about age of 2%, and maybe I'm referring to like their total. Okay, but then if I'm saying the total of 3 years ago, okay, that means we must minus 3 to both person, because there's 2%. Cannot be only one person you minus 3, the other person you never minus 3. Alright, so must take note about that. That is a very important hint before we go to the age-related questions. Okay, everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. And it's double points. Okay, so Mr. Salim was 5 times as old as his daughter 6 years ago. How old is Mr. Salim now if the sum of their present age is 54? So now you see the comparison was given for 6 years ago. Okay, so how do I find their total age 6 years ago? How? So remember just now I was giving the hint, right? What should you do? 6 years ago means what? Right, I don't do secondary school math with MasterMath, but we basically do have the classes for Sec 2 math also. Okay, we have classes for primary 1 to primary 6, followed by Sec 1 to Sec 4. Okay, alright, so how? The comparison was for 6 years ago. How? Okay, 3 more minutes. Yeah, we are actually planning to, but not so soon yet. Okay, we need to see when we are free and all that. Dylan, not yet. The money question is at the end. Okay. Okay, 1 and 2.5 more minutes. Remember, 6 years ago, Mr. Salim was 5 times as old as his daughter. Alright? So how old is Mr. Salim now if the sum of their present age is 54? Currently, the sum of Mr. Salim plus his daughter is 54 years. Alright, so how do I find, because the comparison was for 6 years ago, right? So how do I find their age 6 years ago? 46, or is it 40, or is it 45? Which one? Interesting. Is it 41? Are you sure it's 41? 33. Are we announcing lucky draw number? The winner of the flat screen TV, 43. Yay! What is it about me that is not interesting? 23. You are. If Mr. Salim was a real person, he would have given you maybe some chocolate lah. Okay, because you are saying that he's only 23 years old. Okay, less than 1 more minute. Now another person say chop. Alright, so for each question, you can just put the number. Okay, you don't have to put like the age plus years old, that kind. Okay. $20 more seconds. Are you sure it's 46? 10 more seconds. Why suddenly only 25 people answer? Come on, just try put some numbers. Okay, 5 of you entered 41. Good job. Only 5 of you? Yes, the answer is 41. Okay. Just stay on till the end. We'll go through the solutions in a while. Okay. Okay. Wow. Magic Dragon managed to maintain his position. And the Desert Otter returned with a revenge. And now the Desert Otter is like quite close behind. With only 24 points different. Okay, the Desert Otter is saying that the $10 popular voucher is mine. Okay, and we also got the Caring Quail. Not so far behind, still got hope, don't worry. Okay, and Magic Dragon is now stressed. Alright. Another type answer question. Solve the following question. Bobby will be 4 times as old as his niece 6 years later. Just now was a certain years ago, correct? Now is 6 years later. And how old is he now if the sum of their present age is 38 years? Currently, they are 38 years. The sum is 38. Okay, so how do we find Bobby's age now? Okay, it's obvious here that he is referring to Bobby lah, because niece is female, right? Okay. Alright. Okay, 3 more minutes. Come on, everyone, try your best. Let's go. Okay, it's okay. If you got wrong also, just stay on till the end, and I'll go through the solutions with you all. Okay. Okay, my favorite food, anything that tastes nice and halal. Alright, you've been asking me multiple times on that. Okay, as long as it's nice and it's halal. Alright, 2 minutes, 2.5 more minutes. Alright, Thanos, you are welcome as long you don't snap your fingers. Later half the participant disappeared. Okay, don't snap. The answer I cannot say now. Okay, 2 more minutes. You leave the Kahoot on accident. Is it? It's okay. Can join in back. The Squid Game Thanos. There's a Squid Game Thanos. Well, Thanos will be hardworking. Everywhere he appear. Okay. So like I've said already, anything that is nice and halal I like. Okay. Stop asking me about food. Later I get hungry over here, how? Later I end the life early because I'm hungry. How? Don't want. I don't want to search for that. Alright, come on. 1 minute plus more, okay? Are you sure it's 46? Cannot be, right? The sum of their age is 38. Is it 34? Is it? Are you sure? 1 more minute. Alright. Alright. Come on. Try and answer. Thanks for answering that for me. Okay, the pin is 2577376. 2577376. Okay, 30 more seconds. 20. Okay. 15 more seconds. 10 more seconds. 2577376. Very good. Okay, more of you got it correct this time round. 34. Let's see the rankings. Oh no, the magic dragon, even though his points increased, but the desert otter was faster. Okay, but don't worry, you all are still close. Okay, magic dragon, the next question will be on equal fraction problem sum. If you remember how to do it, you can do it fast. Okay, but provided you remember how to do it lah. Alright, now let's go to the final question. Okay, I'll give you all time to read, so later you can focus on solving it, okay? So 5/6 of Hassan's money is the same as 3/4 of Andy's money. Andy has $14 more than Hassan. Okay, that is the second hint. The first hint was that 5/6 of Hassan's money is the same as 3/4 of Andy's money. Okay? Followed by Andy has $14 more than Hassan. That is the second hint that will help you to solve this question. So in the end, they're asking for altogether, how much money do the both of them have? Okay? Oh no. Yeah, can. Yeah, can. Correct. Okay. All okay already? Are you ready? Okay, regarding the dollar sign, okay, no, you don't need, you can put dollar sign or you can don't put dollar sign, okay? Solve the following question, okay, the question that we went through just now lah. Okay, come, 4 minutes. I can see some of you already solved it, is it? That's why time start only there's already 9 people answering. Now got 10 already. Hopefully you all got the correct answer. Okay. The pin is 2577376. It's so easy. Hopefully there's more than 9 people who can get it correct this time. Okay, 3 more minutes. Okay, in the meantime, if you know of your friends who just now left, do call them to come back so that they'll be here for the solution. Okay, 3 more minutes. Yes, you can put $sign. Somebody say easy, now somebody say difficult. How? Dila, how sure are you it is $70 and $84? What if it is something else? Can see that somebody wrote down the correct or not the correct, I'm not sure. 2 more minutes. Okay, come on. You see, even AI never do working. And are you sure the AI answered correctly? Alright, no worries Alpha. See you next week, okay? Next week, we'll start at 7:30. Okay. There's no reward to the dare. I won't do the dare. Alright, 1.5 more minutes. Come on, guys. I will explore in the future, okay? Are you sure it's 84? We are looking for the both of them, right? So they are looking for the total. Okay, it's asking for the total. Okay, our only hint I can give is that out of all the answers that people were putting on the chat, one of them was actually correct. Okay, 40 more seconds. Are you sure it's you? Are you sure? Firhan, are you sure? 30 more seconds. Alright, don't worry. Okay, after this we'll go through the solution. Okay, 15 more seconds. No, it's a virtual background. It's not my house. It looks like animated, right? Okay, no worries. Next time, try not to just exit like that lah. You can just leave it be. Alright, yes, the answer is 266. Okay? Okay, so 8 of you got it correct. Good job. Alright, so just another recap, okay? We'll be having this Dominate webinar on the 10th of May at 7:30 p.m. till 9 p.m. Alright? So, it is very useful for those P5s that are basically learning math, okay? Because P5 you'll be going PSLE next year, right? Okay? So, it will be useful for you to get to know about, to join this webinar. Those in P6, of course, this is for your PSLE, alright? Do join us on the 10th of May at 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. You can go to our website, mastermath.com.sg to find out more, alright? Alright, I will be showing the podium in a while. In the meantime, get a screenshot, okay, and later you need this QR code to claim your prize. Okay, let's see. Number 3. The Karen Quail. Okay, swim safely, yeah. Okay, Magic Dragon. And number 2. Number 1. Desert Otter. Alright, so Desert Otter, take a screenshot on your device that is showing that you are number 1 with your points, with your name. Okay, and scan the QR code just now. Alright. Alright, now let's go to the solution. Okay, in the meantime, don't leave yet, yeah, okay, let's go through the solution, then we'll end for today. Alright, so the number 1, which was addition, remember when we are adding fractions, we must make the denominators the same, okay, the number at the bottom must be the same, so 7 times 3 become 21, so that's why, and when you multiply denominator, you must multiply numerator also, so that's why 16 plus 9, 25, but make it into simplest form, become 1 and 4 over 21. Same goes with question 2. Now 3 and 4 common multiple is 12. So I times 4 for the left fraction, I times 3 on the right fraction, and I got 8 over 12 plus 9 over 12. And we got 17 out of 12, which is 1 and 5 over 12. Okay, then question 3. Addition and subtraction is the same. You must make the denominators the same, then you add or subtract accordingly. So here, the same thing, I make 7 become 21 by multiplying by 3 and 3. And we got 2 and 11 over 21 minus 15 over 21. Okay, but then 11 cannot minus 15. So what I do is I take out one whole. Okay, you can see here. Okay, I take out one whole. So you see from 2, oh no. Yeah, so from 2 become 1, right? I took out one whole plus to 32 and I got 17. Okay, 32 minus 15, I got 17. Alright, now we go to the next question. Okay, so same thing here. 11 become 22 by multiplying by 2. I cannot minus, so I take out one whole. 38 minus 20 is 18. Okay, so 4 and 9 over 11. Okay. Now, the next one, multiplication. So multiplication, if you see here, what I did was, I cancel, divide, simplest form. So 14 divided by 7 is 2, 7 divided by 7 is 1. And then 3 and 21 also the same, divide by 3 become 1, divide by 3 becomes 7. So become 2 times 1, 2, 7 times 1, 7. Okay, and the next one, actually the next one, right, you can divide by 3 first. Okay, or in this case, I divide by 18 itself, I got a 1, 36 divided by 18 is 2. Okay, then the 21 and 3 both can divide by 3, and I got 1 and 7. Then lastly, 1 times 1, 7 times 2. So become 1 over 14. Okay, the next one, like I said just now, we make, whenever we are multiplying or dividing, but there's a mixed number, we make the mixed number become a improper fraction. You see here, become improper fraction. Okay? So 13 over 8 divided by 7 over 4, 13 over 8 times 4 over 7, cancel, become 13 over 14. And the next one, same thing, 8 over 9 divide by 8 over 3. The 2 and 2 over 3 become 8 over 3. Yes, Alpha. When you are multiplying or dividing, you don't need to make the denominators the same. Okay, just need to simplest form. Okay. Then 8 and 8 can cancel. 9 and 3 both can divide by 3, become 1 times 1, 3 times 1. So become 1 over 3. Alright, now we go to the problem sums. So, you see, the comparison was for 6 years ago. Okay, the comparison was for 6 years ago. So, but this here is 54 years is not 6 years ago. That is now. So what we need to do is find the total for 6 years ago. Why? Because the comparison was for 6 years ago. So we minus 6 and minus 6. Like I see just now, because there's 2%, so we must minus 6, minus 6. And we get 42. So the total for this 5 unit and 1 unit is 42. Therefore, 6 unit is 42, 1 unit you divide by 6, and you get 7. So because they are asking for Mr. Salim, he is 5 unit. Okay, 35. Okay, I remember just now some of you were already writing that 35, right, on the chat. But remember, this 35 was for 6 years ago. We need to find now. That's why lastly we must plus 6. And we get 41. Okay, now question 10 was, the comparison was 6 years later. That's why here I plus 6 equals to 50. 4 times as old, that means 4 units, 1 unit. Then for 5 unit is 50. 1 unit will be divided by 5, we got 10. They are asking for he here is Bobby. So we find 4 units, which is 40. But this is 6 years later. We need to go back now. So 40 minus 6 is 34. So the answer is 34. Alright. Okay, last one for the day. So you see, when the word is the same as, okay, what you need to do is make the numerators the same. Okay, so 5 and 3. I times 5, A times 3 times 5. Okay, wait, Alpha, let me go back to the previous one. Why you add another 6? Because this is sum of Bobby and his niece. Right? So 6 years later means it's Bobby 6 years later and the niece also 6 years later. That's why there is a plus 6 and a plus 6. One for Bobby, one for the niece. Okay, understood, Alpha? Okay, the next part, we make the numerators the same. So it's 15 and 15 because it's the same, right? So now 18 here, this 18 is the units for Hassan. The 20 here is the units for Adam. So when we take the difference, because this is more than, right, it's the difference. So 20 minus 18, 2 units is 14. So 1 unit is 14 divided by 2 is 7. But because they want all together, so it's 20 plus 18, which is 38. 7 times 38 is 266. Alright? Okay, so that's it for today. Just remember about that we are having the webinar on the 10th of May. Okay, 10th of May. It is at 7:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. right? Okay. Okay, yeah, still here. Alright, 10 of May, 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Alright. especially for those going for PSLE and also those in P5, because your P5 math is about the same standard as a P6 math. Okay, it's just that the P6 will have a bit more topics lah. Okay, so it is recommended for both P5 and P6. Alright, and for those who needs the solution to today's problem, can go to our Telegram channel here, Master Math PSLE, okay, and get the solution. Okay, which question? Question 11, is it? Alright, so if any of you got any questions, you can put on the chat. If not, that's it for today. Thank you everyone. Okay, remember next week we'll begin at 7:30 p.m. on the Wednesday for P5 math. Okay, other than that, nothing else from me. Thank you everyone, and see you all next week. Okay, bye bye. Alright, bye bye. Bye Alpha. Okay, bye bye. Okay, thank you everyone. Anyone else copying? Alright, if nothing else, thank you everyone, and see you all next week. Okay, bye bye.